Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook pork ribs calderita, okay? So we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cubes, pork cubes, and then potatoes, water, garlic, onions, bell pepper, and then calderita sauce. If you don't have calderita sauce, you can use tomato sauce and then tomato paste. And then the ribs, I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper. Liver spread also. First, saute the garlic. The onions. And the pork ribs. Tapos ano siya i-cook guys. I-simmer sa nato ha. Yeah, well. Okay, we'll be right back. So now it's time to by the way guys, it be leaf and then peas. We're gonna add the liver spread. Okay, so now we're gonna add the calderita sauce. Also, a little soy sauce. Just a little. Okay, we're gonna add oyster sauce. Also the bay leaf. I think we're gonna add all na, okay? Guys. Okay. Okay guys. Black pepper. And we'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, so look at that one, our pork ribs calderita. Look at that one, it's done. Okay. That's yummy guys. Okay guys, so this is it. Our calderita is done. So thank you for watching, and then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Broja, to my Instagram, the_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Okay, so that's our pork ribs calderita. It's done.